Alright, time for box break number 2. And again, this box break is sponsored by Atlanta Sports Cards. Josh and the folks down there are awesome to deal with. So if you guys have a moment, go on to www.atlantasportscards.com and check them out. They're the ones who sponsored this break. This is part 2 of it. This is a unopened case of 2009 Upper Deck Exquisite. I've never bought it before, and I put it on Facebook asking people on Upper Deck's website what I should do, and they all suggested this for my first case, so let's get on to it here. Big football guy, so hopefully this goes well. Now this has the bonus pack in it and the regular pack, and we'll go regular pack first in this box. See how it goes. Okay. Started off with a Kurt Warner base card, numbered 47 out of 60. Ooh. I had a dream I pulled something like this. It's a autograph patch auto, or a jersey auto, excuse me, of Ramses Barden. Was a rookie wide receiver last year with the New York Giants, numbered 215 out of 225. Matthew Stafford, autographed nameplate, numbered 6 out of 10. That's kind of cool. And then Austin Collie, autographed rookie signature, number 10 of 25. Had a great year this year for the Colts if it wasn't for the concussions. And then a, wow, 3-color patch card of Carnell Cadillac Williams, number 29 out of 75. And the last one is, ooh, 2-color triple patch Emmitt Smith, number 3 of 30. Wow, those are nice cards. Thick, too. Take a look and see what the bonus card is in this one. And it is a rookie bookmark, which means it's one of those fold-out ones. Joaquin Iglesias and Brandon Pettigrew. Autographed rookie bookmark, number 67 to 99. Each patch is 2 colors, signed right on it. And those are cool looking. Now I'm I'd say 75% collector, 25% seller. So if there's something on here that you guys want, and I'm willing to part with it, let me know. We'll go into box number 2. Decide in between either this or a case of Upper Deck Black from 2009, and I've purchased a few boxes of black before from Atlanta Sports Cards and had really good luck with it, so I was hesitant about doing the Exquisite since I've never bought it before, but I really like the way it looks. Alright, this is box number 2. And this one's starting out. Base card, Vincent Jackson, number 76 out of 80. Ooh, Kenny Brent. Autograph rookie patch card, number 28 out of 225. Curtis Painter. Backs up old Peyton Manning. Number 70 out of 99. Oh, there we go. An ensemble signature. Now, all these are on card, which are nice. And this is Jeremy Maclin and LaShawn McCoy from the Eagles. 21 out of 50. Good looking card. And another Pettigrew. Triple patch card. Numbered 11 out of 30. And that's 3 color on 2 of those patches. And then the last one is a Ronnie Brown, numbered, oh cool, 1 out of 10. And it's quad patched, and the last one's 3 colors. Not a bad looking card. Let's do bonus pack on this one. And it looks like it's a redemption card. Oh, cool. Autograph biography signature. I don't know if you guys can read that or not, but it's Fred Biletnikoff. And I'm a Raider fan, so I'm digging that. I'll get that sent off hopefully today. Haven't seen too much redemption stuff lately. And we'll do box number 3. Overall, I've been pretty happy with this Exquisite stuff. I mean, beautiful cards. Funny thing is, I'm doing this break at work, so hopefully nobody will come in. Alright. Last one. Let's hope for a Bo Jackson. Alright. So this one starts off Randy Moss. Base card numbered 46 out of 80. Mike Wallace. Autographs rookie patch. 2 colors. Looks like it's the nameplate. And this is numbered 192 to 225. Anquan Bolden. Numbered 25 to 65. Ravens now. Ziggy Hood. One of the cooler names. This is numbered 98 to 99. Just missed his number by a couple. Adrian Peterson. Would have been nicer if that was autoed. This is a patch. 55 of 75. And the last card is Antonio Gates, triple patch. 2 colors, number 22 of 30. And last is the bonus pack. I was going to say, it actually feels like a card in here, not a redemption. And it's a rookie bookmark. And it is Chris Beanie Wells and Brian Robisky. Beanie Wells running back from the Cardinals. Robisky, the rookie wide receiver last year from the Browns, numbered 11/250. So that's it, guys. Thanks for checking out my first televised box break. And thanks again to Atlanta Sports Cards for sponsoring this break. And you guys have a great day. Later.